Using differentiation in kinematics. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Just consider travelling in a car. If you're going faster, you cover more distance in the same amount of time. So if you're going 80 kilometers per hour, you cover more distance in a given time than if you're going 50 kilometers per hour. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. When you're travelling in your car and you accelerate harder, your speed changes more in the same time. The same is true of braking hard, which produces a negative acceleration, which is often referred to as retardation. If you brake harder, you lose more speed in the same time. Since these are rates of change, they are represented by gradients in the requisite graphs. So here we have a displacement time graph and the acceleration, which we can see is changing over time, is going to represent the velocity. We know that we can get gradients by differentiating. So velocity is the differential of displacement with respect to time. And if we have a velocity time graph, then we have gradients here which are going to represent the acceleration. The acceleration is dv dt, the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. And that note is the second differential of the displacement. Summarizing that, if we have acceleration, velocity, and displacement to go in this direction, we differentiate.